Are you in need of a reliable fuel injector connector? Look no further. Our fuel injector connector 4,897,114 is specifically designed for the DongFeng Bison truck model, compatible with 280 TN to 160 SW1 engines from 2009 onwards. This connector is essential for your fuel injection system, providing exceptional performance and durability. High-quality fuel injector connector 4,897,114 for DongFeng Bison truck engine assembly. OE number 4,897,114. Car fitment DongFeng Bison 2009 present. Engine types 280T 260 SW1. Condition brand new. Size standard size. Warranty 12 months. Origin Dongguan, China. Brand ViDiShi. At Dongguan VID is High Technology Co. Limited. We specialize in high-quality automotive parts. Our fuel injector connector is crafted from premium materials to ensure long-lasting performance. We understand the frustrations of vehicle owners. Nothing is worse than a faulty connection in your fuel system. That's why we continually optimize our products to exceed customer expectations. Our fuel injector connector not only offers compatibility, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your engine system. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. Know you're backed by a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions or need bulk orders, don't hesitate to contact us via WhatsApp, WeChat at tscus 13,509,025,030 or email us at sales@vidishi.com.